It's me, Cleo. This time I want to show you my LRP order, which is the Loyalty Rewards Program order that I order every month from doTERRA. So, I did already unbox this on IGTV, so if you saw that, cool. Thank you, thank you. So, I got my TerraZyme and my lifelong vitality. Why am I singing though? It's probably because I just used my Immortelle oil and I love that. You know me and skincare, you know how I am with my skincare, and that Immortelle oil is so good. So I got 2 tangerine. I ordered them. I am doing samples again this month, so tangerine's going to be a part of that. So if you're interested in trying tangerine, let me know. I get Copaiba every single month. You're only allowed to buy one a month. It's very rare, and sometimes it sells out, so I make sure to get mine every single month because I use that every day. I got a backup patchouli because I love me that stuff. That is not hooky smelly garbage. That is good. Cypress. I'm using cypress a lot. It's really cleansing. So I wanted a backup of that. I'm about halfway through my cypress bottle. Yes, I've been using it pretty heavily. And then, so for buying the supplements, well, when anyone buys the supplements, you can get add-ons at like a deep discount. So some of the supplements are $40, $50. You can buy them for $20 when you purchase them at the same time as the Lifelong Vitality, which is the daily supplement. So I got 2 TerraZyme because I use this and Rob uses this. So he needs to have his own bottle and leaves my TerraZymes alone, okay? I take one of those with every meal to avoid all the discomfort that can happen when you eat food. PB Assist, that's a probiotic, one at night. My other TerraZyme. So basically, I bought the supplements and the Copaiba and the tangerine, and I got On Guard for free, a 5 ml On Guard for free as a gift. This, I qualified for this once my cart hit 125 PV, you get the free product of the month if you're doing a loyalty rewards order. And loyalty rewards basically means they have 2 carts. When you get on doTERRA, there's 2 carts, and it says, do you want to place a loyalty rewards order or do you want to place a one-time order? Placing a one-time order is just you buy it and that's the end of it. Placing a loyalty rewards order, you earn the points back on that order and you qualify to get the product of the month. Sometimes it's 2 oils, but most of the time it's 1. So I'm really excited about that. That's a good one. And the 200 PV gift this month is still currently, I'm geeking out, exclusive to the, let's see if I can say this right, Austro-Asian market. So Litsea, which is known as the poor man's Melissa. It's like a cross between lemongrass and Melissa, basically, is what I'm told. I haven't smelled it yet. And Manuka Touch. Ooh. So check those out. This box is fancy. So here's the Litsea. If I remember correctly, this is the oil of manifestation. So let's open it now, the first time ever. Me and Litsea. Oh, yes. That is an accurate description. Exactly, for me, on my nose, halfway between lemongrass and Melissa. I'm going to need to get some more of that somehow. I don't know how I'm going to do that. It's exclusive to the Australasian market. Did you hear that? Didn't break. Okay. You know I smash things when I get excited. Okay, look at how beautiful this packaging is. We're looking at, let's see if I can open it not upside down this time. No. Cameras are weird, you guys. Manuka Touch. So yes, I have not opened this either. I did an unboxing on IG, but this is my first time opening it. Let's see what we got. Ooh. Whoa! That's really awesome. I'm not even sure how to describe that scent. This one is a touch, so it is pre-diluted with fractionated coconut oil, so you can just put it right on the skin. The Litsea is, you know, let's go to the book. I have a book because these are new oils to me. Since they were exclusive, I didn't really spend a whole lot of time looking at them. TBH. TBH. La la la. Lime. Litsea and Manuka. So, this is the Essential Live. This was a gift from my girl, Gina. Thank you, love. I use this book constantly. So, Litsea. Oh, it's found in our Skin Clearing Blend and Repellent Blend. That's the HD Clear Roll-On for the skin. And Repellent Blend is Terrazyme, which comes in a 15 ml bottle. I think I have one sitting right here. Terra Shield, excuse me, did I say Terrazyme? That's so funny because we were just talking about that. Terra Shield is the outdoor blend. It is a repellent. And the HD Clear is far away. Blends well with vetiver, sandalwood, rosemary, rose, ginger, geranium, fennel, basil, and cedarwood. Good for high blood pressure, asthma, spasmodic cough, bronchitis, back pain, eczema. Didn't know that. Acne and oily skin. Brain fog and lack of motivation. Cool, cool. Main constituents: terpenes, geraniol, nerol, and limonene. Manuka, anti-allergenic, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antiviral, relaxant. Blends well with black pepper, clary sage, lavender, marjoram, and ylang-ylang. Ooh, I like that. Good for achy joints, dandruff, scalp issues, athlete's foot, irritated and chafed skin. So that says to me, like, really good for the skin. Okay, it's in a touch, so I'll probably just roll that all over my face. Awesome, I love rolling things on my face. Well, only certified pure therapeutic grade oils from doTERRA. Ear and fungal infections. Never put oils in the ear. Only around. A lot of people, when you say it's good for the ears, they think you're putting it in the ears. No. Never anything smaller than your elbow in the ear. Good for indigestion, spicy food issues, and toxicity. You would just apply it to the abdomen. Good for damaged skin and scars. Manuka, yeah, good for the skin. That's what it's telling me. Cool. Well, I'm frigging excited to have these. I'm frigging excited that I didn't pay for them. I just got what I normally need. How do they work cameras? I don't know. That's tangerine. You know, that's interesting. I said that on IG too, but normally each oil has a different color label, and I find that Litsea and tangerine are like the same color. Just a randomness. Oh, that's cooling and refreshing. Oh, smells good. Smells good. It's like woody, but not strong. Like a really soft wood. Well, thanks for coming on and checking this out. And if you have any questions about doTERRA, how to get a wholesale account, don't want a wholesale account, want to pay retail, whatever questions, ask me, message me, and I'll give you the information. And then you can let me know what you want to do. It's all about what you want to do. I'm just here to help and share my geekdom, my geeked out excitement over this stuff I get free every month. So thanks for tuning in. Cheers.